Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol CAG or ConAgra brands. Earnings coming up here. Looks like pre-market Thursday, January 6th. Just taking a look here at the earnings whisper. Consensus is showing as 68 cents and also revenue of 3.02 billion. So just a heads up there, what the consensus is and what is expected as far as revenue and earnings per share. So let's take a look here at some price action. Let's hit the 15-minute chart first. You can see on the 15-minute chart, trading within a range for the most part. Thing was in an uptrend, and then it just started to hit a little bit of resistance here around 34. Got a little above that level here late on Friday, but since it kind of made this move up to about 33.50 or so, it's really just kind of been trading within that tight range there. Let's check out here the hourly chart. So on the hourly chart, you had big moves higher, big ripped up to 34, got stuck in a little bit of a downtrend for a bit, but then broke back above the 21-day EMA and is, making some nice moves and some upward price action for sure on this time frame. Let's check out the daily. So on the daily time frame, after it hit 39 about 3 times here, had a big sell-off and a big move down, tried to find support here around $32 or so, failed to do so, fell through that, and then came down here and kind of had a little bit of a double bottom here at about 30.50 or so, and kind of once it found that bottom there, it made a really big rip higher, pull back to the 21, and then ripping higher again. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here on this time frame. So I think right now, where the price is at, this thing may make a retest here of around 34.50 before retracing back to this 21. So I'd keep an eye on those two levels. If we have another nice bull candle and we come up here and test around 34.50, what is going to happen around this level? You really see it pushed a little bit above that, about to 34.77 before starting to sell off. So I think that'll be a key level there. If it can get to that level, get above it and close above it on the daily time frame, then I think it can set, a nice new high here above this level here around 34.77. But if this thing starts to sell off back towards this 21-day EMA, I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on that. So you can see here on December 6th, when it got above that level, it hasn't been below it since. You can see it kind of went below. Buyers drove it up. Same thing here, same thing here. So you do see some wicks there and some rejection. And since then, it hasn't really tested that 21-day EMA. You can see here it got pretty close, but not quite there. And then the buyers just came back in and drove that thing up. So there are definitely two key levels I'm going to be looking at there. And of course, a lot of this price action will be dependent upon the earnings. So yeah, we'll kind of see, is this thing going to bust above this level here at 34.50 and, continue this nice uptrend and this nice upward price action here on the daily chart? Or, is this thing going to come down and test the 21 and possibly fall below that 21? If it does, I would definitely be looking for a good short entry because we can see here we have recent lows around 30.50. So if this 21-day EMA doesn't hold, I would expect it to come down and possibly retest these recent lows here. But I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker CAG or ConAgra Brands Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this.